GE top-load washer, model GTWN4250D1WS, doesn't fill to the proper level. I took the front panel off and there is a watermark where my washer used to fill to on large load. It now fills about 3 inches lower. My wife started noticing the clothes were not as clean and the washer was noisier than usual. I replaced the pressure switch and the tubing and blew through the tubing to make sure there is no obstruction. It fills to the 2ND hole down from the top of the bottom set of holes. What else could cause this low filling?
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having appliance trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Where the tubing connects to the tub, that is called the air dome assembly. It is part of the plastic outer tub. If you have replaced the pressure switch and the tubing, the only thing left that would cause fill level issues is if that air dome is dirty and restricting the air and water as it enters. Was that part dirty looking when you replaced the pressure hose?
No, the tubing does not look dirty and I blew through it while attached to the drum and it doesn't feel obstructed. Is there other shut-off control for the water supply valve other than the pressure switch?
No, the pressure switch is the only water level control. Did you inspect that air dome on the tub or just blow through the hose?
Just blew through the hose. I'll take the front cover off and watch as it fills. Should water fill that dome?
It will flow in there but not totally fill it. That dome is very common to get floaties that will move away when you blow through the hose but move to restrict airflow up the hose. Let me know what you find.
Okay, ran cycle with the front cover off. The water level fills the dome to about 25%. I do see some detergent residue in the dome. Is it removable? Or is sonic welded or glued on?
About the only way to clean it is to use pipe cleaners or a turkey baster to blast water in there. You can use it to put vinegar in there, too, that may help.
Okay, thanks. I'll give that a try. Any way to adjust the pressure switch? I see some adjustment screws but they aren't labeled.
No, not on that switch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.